Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with damp, freshly washed hair because moisture helps the lotion distribute evenly. Once done, towel blot so hair retains water without dripping. Pump 1-2 doses into your palm, more for long or thick hair, and warm the lotion between hands to activate emollients. Then, from mid-lengths to ends, work the product through using fingers or a wide-tooth comb. This targets the driest areas and keeps roots light. Make sure to apply steadily to avoid spots with too much. Once the lotion is evenly in, you comb through gently to detangle and ensure the formula coats each strand. This improves manageability and reduces breakage. If you have frizz or visible split ends, add an extra 1/2 to 1 pump only where needed. This concentrates moisture without weighing hair down. Next, decide your finish. Blow dry on low heat to seal cuticles and boost shine, or air dry for a softer look. Either option locks in the conditioning benefits while you style. To finish, smooth a tiny pea-sized amount over dry ends for instant shine and to tame flyaways. You want only minimal product on surface hair. For ongoing maintenance, store the lotion in a cool place and monitor how often you need touch-ups so you don't overuse it. If your hair feels greasy or heavy, reduce the amount next time and avoid applying near the scalp. If buildup persists, clarify once with a gentle clarifying wash, and then resume regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.